Welcome to the TailorMate App tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to reuse customers' measurements taken in a previous order in a new order. First, click the Orders menu at the bottom. Then, click the plus button onto top to add a new order. You have to select the customer from the customer list. On the next screen, you have to select the dress item the customer wants to stitch. Click Add Measurements button. All measurements taken on the past for the same dress will be listed here with date. Click the measurement you want to reuse. It will display all values of previous measurement. If you want to edit any measurement value, you may do so. Click Save and Continue. Enter all other required information and save item. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. If you have any questions about TailorMate app, please call us or WhatsApp on the number given here.